Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. It's great to have you all watching my video. Here I'm going to describe our first lesson, which is about how to describe shapes. Hopefully through these simple videos you can understand the materials well. Okay. Let's see. All right, in understanding how to describe shapes of an object, there are a few steps that you can follow. The first one, what you need to do is to recognize the shapes, the vocabularies for 1, 2, and 3-dimensional shapes. So you have to be familiar with the common terms in geometrical shapes. And then the next step is you need to understand how to use them, how to use the shapes in sentences. Of course, using the correct sentence pattern. And then the next one, the last step, of course, you have to do lots of practices by, for example, memorizing the vocabularies and patterns, and then do the exercises given by me, and also try reading aloud the vocabularies and also the sentences to improve your pronunciations. If you cannot, or if you haven't understood on how to pronounce each word correctly, then you can use any English dictionary, or you can check the pronunciation, the correct pronunciations using Google Translate. Okay, now let's take a look on the first step, recognizing the vocabularies for 1, 2, and 3-dimensional shapes. Let's see. The first one is one-dimensional shape. What is one-dimensional shape? A one-dimensional figure or one-dimensional shape is an open plane figure that can be measured in only one way, such as length or width, but not both. These figures are a point and then lines. Some of them are straight and others are curved, and also angles. Angles, yeah, not angels. Angles or sudut. Here are the pictures of what I have mentioned previously. So the examples of one-dimensional shapes are lines and also angles. We've got several types of line here. We have curved line, and then diagonal line, horizontal line, dotted line, zigzag line, wavy line, vertical line, straight line, and also parallel lines. And then for angles, we've got several types of angles. So we have acute angle, not acute angle, yeah, it will give you different meaning. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and also complete angle. Complete angle. Those are one-dimensional shapes. Now we turn to the second one, two-dimensional shapes. What is two-dimensional shapes? Two-dimensional figures can be measured in two ways or directions, such as length and width. And then these are closed plane figures like squares, circles, or polygons of any shapes or size. And then these are the examples of two-dimensional shapes. They are circle, semicircle, square, rectangle, isosceles triangle, or segitiga sama sisi, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, pentagons, heptagons, hexagons, octagons, and quadrilaterals. Yeah, or segi empat, uh, segi empat tidak beraturan. Yeah, we have, for example, here belah ketupat we say in English rhombus, and then what is it? Trapezium, or yeah, trapezium, or trapezoid. Yeah, and then parallelogram. Yeah, parallelogram tuh jajaran genjang. And then we also have star, and then heart, and then diamond, oval. And I believe you can find more examples on Google. Okay, now we continue to the next slide. Oh, sorry, quadrilaterals. The meaning of quadrilaterals is segi empat, bangun-bangun segi empat. Ya, bisa jadi beraturan atau tidak beraturan. Okay, now let's go on with the next one. Three-dimensional shapes. What is three-dimensional shape? Three-dimensional figures are called solids. Yeah, we measure them in 3 dimensions using length, width, and height or altitude. These are the examples. The first one is cube, cuboid, square-based pyramid, cone, triangular prism, triangular-based pyramid, cylinder, and also sphere. Those are only few examples of three-dimensional shapes. Okay, now you've known the examples of 1, 2, and 3-dimensional shapes. Now let's move to the next step, which is how to use those vocabularies in sentences. So the first one, what you need to know is the change, yeah, of each vocabularies, from noun to adjective. Yeah, each word usually have the different form of adjective, but some of them have exactly the same form of adjective. Yeah, let's see. Here we have circle. Circle is the noun form. Yeah. And then the adjective form is circular. And then we also have ellipse, it's a noun. And then elliptical, it's an adjective. Sorry. And then we also have oblong, oval. Yeah, both of them have exactly the same form of adjective. Yeah, so no change. And then parallelogram, and then pointed oval. Pointed oval berarti oval, tapi yang ujungnya itu runcing atau lancip ya. Rectangle becomes rectangular, rhombus, rhomboidal, square, yeah, the same, square, trapezoid, trapezoidal, triangle, triangular, semicircle, semicircular, cone, conical, cube, cubic, cuboid, cuboid, same. And then hemisphere, hemispherical, cylinder, cylindrical, pyramid, pyramidal, and then sphere, spherical. Now let's see the sentence pattern. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different sentence patterns that you can use to describe the shape of an object. And the first pattern you can see, yeah, the pattern is like this. The shape of A represent the name of an object. So you can change A into any name of your object. The shape of, like for example, whiteboard. Yeah, the shape of whiteboard, the shape of a book. Yeah, the shape of A plus is, yeah, plus adjective. Is here is the to be verb. You can change this into are if the objects in here is more than one. Yeah. The shape of A is adjective followed by adjective. So for example, the shape of this protractor is semicircular. So you cannot use semicircle because here you have to use adjective. Semicircular. Okay. And then the second one, A plus is plus adjective. For example, this protractor or a protractor is semicircular. Number 3, A plus is plus adjective plus in shape. This protractor is semicircular in shape. Number 4, and here we have to use noun. A plus is plus noun. This protractor is a semicircle. Yeah, pay attention to the use of article in here because we must use noun. Don't forget to put article here. Yeah, a semicircle. This protractor is a semicircle. The last one, A plus is shaped like, yeah, this is passive voice, plus noun. This protractor is shaped like a semicircle. So those are the sentence patterns. You don't have to memorize all of them. You can choose, yeah, one or two among those 5 choices. Yeah, and then you can try to memorize those patterns and try to use to try to make sentences from the vocabularies you have learned previously using those sentence patterns. And now here you can find more adjectives, yeah, more adjectives that you can use to describe the shape of an object. Now, your homework is to find the meaning of these adjectives, and then I want you to write them in sentences. Yeah, so once again, try to find the meaning of these adjectives in Indonesians, and then I want you to use these words in sentences using the sentence patterns that I have introduced in the previous slides. This will be your homework and done. So that was my explanations about how to describe shapes. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.